I'm going to go over how we've been using Reddit in the last 60 days, actually drive 30% signups to the Trigify platform through specifically Reddit, and just generally the strategy, or our Reddit strategy, that's absolutely been crushing it for us recently, particularly just launched, and we've been testing it internally, the ability not only to monitor Reddit generally through keywords, but also now the ability to monitor Reddit through subreddits as well. So when I think about the opportunities with Reddit, I break it down into kind of 4 areas. Of course, there's more. The first one is we're using Reddit data as like training data. So I'm going to do another video on this another time, but I speak a lot about the kind of harness layer, and particularly I speak a lot about Hermes, which is like an OpenClaw equivalent. And the Reddit data is really helpful for giving context to agents so that we can make informed decisions about whatever task that we're doing going forward. The other key ones are targeted outbound. I think it was Run from Clay, right, who talked a lot about his strategy that he was searching manually on Reddit when they first started Clay to find anyone who was suffering from data enrichment issues and things like that, and just was personally DMing them. So that's an interesting one. Brand monitoring generally, and then GEO and SEO opportunity when it comes to the comments. This is an interesting one. Obviously, we all know that Reddit is cited from LLMs, so we want to either use influencers, we want to post ourselves, depending on what subreddit we want to be posting on, because there is an excellent opportunity for us to get mentions across there. So let's dive in, and today I'm going to do it all through the Code app, right? I'm going to use the app. You obviously could use a terminal, it's the same thing. So one of the key things that a lot of people struggle with is they don't know which subreddits to monitor for targeted outbound, and we don't know how to set up the kind of intricacies of this. So I'm going to break this down over the next 5 minutes so you have everything that you need. The first thing that we're going to say is go ahead and monitor anytime anyone is posting on Reddit for social signals and marketing or sales or GTM over the last month, max 100 results, and monitor it daily for me. Probably should have specified Trigify there, but let's see if it knows to use the MCP. So there we go, it's gone ahead and done that. The next thing that we want to do is we want to use this search result to go and find, okay, what are the most referenced subreddits? So here we're going to ask it, go and fetch the results from the search that we just set up, analyze all of the posts, and let me know what are the top 2 subreddits that get the most amount of mentions in for me. So the idea is we're going to use Claude to analyze the data coming in from Trigify here. Okay, so it's just come back and it says it's analyzed 41 posts. Here's the top 2. But then interestingly, it says these top 2 results are mostly low signal. It looks like self-promo personal subs. It thinks the first useful one is the B2B event marketing one, and the B2B sales one shows up. So what I was going to say now is interesting. Let's go ahead and monitor these subreddits, and we're going to do this one here and this one here. And so now, just purely from that data, it's given us somewhere to look at, because like a lot of the times we don't know which subreddits to go ahead and do, whereas now we have that capability to use initially the keyword search to go broad, and then you use the data to go a little bit more narrow. And then of course, the more we let that initial search run, the more data set that we build, the better it's going to be. So that's stage 1, which is collecting the data. Stage 2 is how do we go ahead and create the targeted outbound brand monitoring and kind of GEO SEO opportunity here. So it's gone ahead and set up the searches for us. And so now we're going to say, okay, perfect. I want to go ahead and build out a couple of new things on Reddit and a workflow. Firstly, I want to monitor anytime the company name Trigify is mentioned on Reddit. And then I want to build a workflow off the back of that. And I want to use an agent. Let's use Opus 4.7. And I want to analyze if that post is talking positively or negatively specifically about the company Trigify within it. If it is, I want to send a Slack notification through to our general channel in Slack. So now it's going to go ahead and build out this entire flow for us, which is going to be epic. So we'll let that cook for a couple of seconds. Okay, perfect. So that took 15 seconds or so, but it's basically gone ahead and created the initial Reddit search, monitoring our brand. And now we have a workflow that is taking the data from that search. It's using Anthropic Opus 4.7. It's analyzing whether it's positive, negative, neutral or not. It's created an if branch, and then it's sending straight through to our Trigify general Slack channel, which is insanely cool, right? So this is the initial use case, which is the one here, and we can just mark that as done. So the next is the targeted outbound approach that we want to do. So let's go ahead and set that up as well. I now want to go ahead and set up a new system here. So I want to take the 3 searches that we have done, which is the social signal search on Reddit, and then also the subreddits that we have just started monitoring. And I want to feed both those three searches through into a workflow. In this workflow, we're going to use an agent to analyze whether these posts that are getting posted on Reddit and these subreddits are relevant to Trigify. So, for example, they could be asking for help with go-to-market strategies. They could be asking for help or making a statement around intent data. They could be referencing tools like clay.com and other kind of similar data enrichment or sales or marketing tools. If they are, I then want to create a category, which would be either there's high sales intent because they're asking questions. Maybe it's a statement and I could add value to that, and then send these through to Slack as well, along with the opportunity. So if it's a kind of a commenting opportunity based on me adding value to that post, or it's a sales opportunity, and then I want the link to the post so I can obviously reach out to the person and pitch my business. And obviously what then happens right from here is if there are opportunities, I can go ahead and DM the individuals, or I could comment on the post. You got to be a little bit careful with Reddit because they're massively against kind of self-promotion. Some subreddits are a little bit okay with it as long as you're providing value. So again, just kind of read the room a little bit there, but DMs have been pretty popular and pretty well received when it's actually highly targeted work. This is going to go ahead and cook away now for a minute or two, but that means we will have everything built out. And if we were to go actually to the app here, we can see it's set up the subreddits. We've got the Trigify search running. If I come to the workflow section here, we can actually see that it's gone ahead and created this for us without us having to do anything. And what's cool is it's no output yet because it's not run, but we don't even ever need to log into Trigify. In theory, I could come back into here and I could ask it to pull through the results, or I could set up a daily cron that pulls through the results into here and produces it into maybe a Claude co-work artifact or something like that as well. And that is everything start to finish on how we can create an unbelievably good strategy around Reddit. The only thing here is that I was talking about, and the reason I said I want to let you know if it's a commenting opportunity, there I'm going to then try and obviously use it to reference Trigify and create like a really good kind of geo praised comment that's hopefully going to help Trigify rank as well, and not only just then provide authority in my profile on Reddit as well. And so yeah, if you want the video on how I'm using it to train agents like Hermes, I'm going to drop that in my YouTube, so go ahead and subscribe over there. Peace out.